Hi, my name is Sylvia Brownlow, and I'm a student at Lake Region Union High School, and for this year's Vermont Science Fair, I created an engineering device, the Handheld plant spectroscope. I got the idea for the handheld plant spectroscope while I visited the New Hampshire Academy of Science this past summer of 2023, and I got my inspiration from looking at devices like a high-performance liquid chromatography machine and a normalized difference vegetation index device, which are two devices that already quantitatively measure the health of plants. But these devices run for about $4,000 for the NDVI and $16,000 for the high-performance liquid chromatography. So I wanted to be able to create a low-cost device that could measure the health of plants based off the reflection of light off of the leaves of the plants. I looked at the device in two parts, the software and the hardware. For the software, I used an LED red, green, blue light as well as an infrared light, a sensor to measure the data, and then an Arduino software for coding, and I used an Uno R3 for the coding. And then for the hardware, I completely created my hardware using Tinkercad and then 3D printed it using black filament. And so when I got back to school this fall, I was able to do an experiment using 3 sage plants, and I put them in the same environment, gave one too much water, one not enough water, and then I used one as a constant, and through my comparisons using my device to measure the health based off how the leaves were, I found that for the dying plants, they had a higher reflectance in visible light and a lower reflectance of infrared light than compared to the healthy plants. And so I learned that my device was able to accurately measure the health of plants, all for under the cost of $50. So I was able to obtain my research goal.